Okay, I thought we'd check the worm farm here today together. And this is just a routine check. This isn't a feeding check. I think I made a video of the feeding check last time. See my previous worm farming videos. Today is just a routine check. Basically, I'm going to check for living conditions within each of these 5 different colony boxes. And I'm going to, most importantly, check the moisture. Make sure it's not too dry or too wet. Nightmare of nightmares, it's too wet. Alright, so little tiny bit dry. So off camera here I have a pail of boiled water because I have city water here. I boiled off all the chlorine that's harmful to them. And I'm going to take my boiled water with a nice clean container and add, I've done this many times so I know exactly how much water to add. And you might wonder why I didn't mix it in with my fingers. Because my growing medium for these earthworms is sphagnum moss, and as long as I add the appropriate amount of water, just like a wick or a sponge, it's going to go all through the container. This one's the same exact way, just a little bit dry. This is really important inside in the dry winters because I have forced air heat, and it's important to keep these at the right balance. This one's the exact same way, which so we're consistent. That's one really good thing. That shows I've been minding my P's and Q's, I guess, doing this. And I have been very vigorous about checking these regularly lately because this is an investment that needs to be taken care of. Same way. Well, I might as well check the other one and open it up while I'm down here. Same exact way. Very good. Very consistent. You might notice that I have these trays numbered. And when I do my worm farming records, that tells me what colony did what and when and why. Any notes I can put in there for future reference. And I can see life squirming around in here in various forms. Very good. A little bit more than that one. Alright, I am done with my worm farm check. I'm careful to make sure I put these lids back where they went. These containers are only vented on the top. You don't want to have holes on the sides or bottoms because the worms will try to escape. Because believe it or not, they don't like confinement, I think. They seem to know they're confined and try to get out. Okay, and that concludes today. I hope this helps you in your worm farming endeavors. And I thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe. Please spread the word. I like to keep things practical and simple on my channel. And most importantly, short. That's right.